Hello students, we have already created the login page. Now we are going to design the home page. We are going to design the home page in a new tab. This is the first tab, the login page available. This is the second tab. Here we are going to design the home page. To design the home page, we can use the label in the login page. Copy this label, right click and copy this label, and in the tab 2, right click and paste the label, and change the text to Welcome to School Management System project. Then place a image. To place a image, we have label control. Drag the label. Select the Pyqt map property of the label and click on the triangle. Choose file. Here we have to select the school image. Select this and click open. The image is now loaded to the label. Now we have completed the home page. Save the file, and next we will design the add student. Thank you for watching.